Great Sunday ride by old Chainsaw Bob. Well, the ride started out today. Me and three of my buddies riding up to Dayton, Tennessee, to the Mayfield Ice Cream Factory there to get some ice cream, and we got there and found out that they were closed on Sunday. So we come back down here on Highway 68 in Tennessee, the Shell gas station that sells the Mayfield ice cream, and had us an ice cream cone. It's not really about the destination, is it? It's about the ride. So we're on our way back home in this little particular part of the video here. Matter of fact, going up 3 Mile Hill right there. That's that Valkyrie in front of me there. Can't tell what you might see on the side of the road in Tennessee. Strange things up here in Tennessee. Strange things. By the way, the music today is Flight of the Valkyries, honor that nice 6-cylinder Valkyrie right in front of me there. Not to brag too much, but my average mileage for the whole day for this ride of about 160 miles was 68.2. That's not bad mileage. So here we are back to McKaysville, Georgia. McKaysville, Copper Hill, Tennessee line, which is right there where I'm just going across. This is where we split up. Jim and I are going one way, and John are going the other. So say our goodbyes and split up there. I turned off here to get in a little curvy road on my way home. I enjoy riding the curves a lot, and this is one curvy little road down through here. I guess you can see just a little bit of it here. Well, I'm glad you got to ride along with us today. We've seen some interesting places, been a lot of places today. saw some signs, or well, maybe we saw them, maybe we didn't, but we said the biker's prayer. We saw some roads that, well, they're pretty neat roads. Maybe we saw them, we didn't. We all kind of get to be ARP riders when we get to be almost 74 years old like me. Chainsaw Bob, really appreciate you riding along, watching these videos. 180,000 people have watched my videos so far. So come back and ride with me again. Hit like if you like it. Send it to your friends. Thanks for riding with us.